In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop your laptop from turning off when the screen is closed. Now this is very easy inside of Windows 11, so here's how you do it. So first, go to your Start menu, then you need to head over to Settings, so click on Settings or search for it and then go to Settings. Once you're here in Settings, you need to go to the System Settings, which will be the second one down. Then you can go to Power and Battery, click on that, and you can then click Screen and Sleep, and that will then open these four options. Now, for me, I have it set so when my laptop is plugged in, the screen never turns off. If you want it to never turn off despite it being plugged in or not, you need to change all of these to never. This way, the screen will never turn off despite it being plugged in or not. For me though, I like it so when it is running off battery, it does turn off eventually. But when you've configured these settings, you then want to go to the search bar and type in lid close, and then this option will appear, which is change what closing the lid does. If you click on that, it will open up system settings. Then you'll see when I close the lid, you can change this to do nothing. And again, this is for battery and when it is plugged in, so you can choose those. If you click do nothing, then you can click on save changes. And then when you close the lid, it will just stay on. So that's how you do it. I hope that helped.